Hey guys, this is a pill storage container. I use it to hold my vitamins, my prescription meds, and the occasional painkiller. It's got 5 sections that are similar in size and one giant section here, which I have empty at the moment, for bigger size pills. I've been using this for over a year now. I've had this for quite a while. I love it. It's great if you want to travel, but personally for travel, I like something a bit smaller than this. I guess the trips I take are shorter in length. Overall, what this is good for is if you do take a lot of daily pills and you want quick access to them, and you usually buy, as I do, your vitamins and whatnot in bulk so that you can save money, putting them in this carousel container here, having it on the table with your meals, it's really convenient. I've been loving it. It has 2 lids here, obviously the snap-on one, which is the one I use most of the time for both inserting the pills and taking pills out. And it's got this other one which you twist open. I'm not going to do that for you now because I don't want my pills to come out. But that's for basically loading up your pills. But I don't actually use that. I just use this. It also comes with this dangly thingy to carry it around. Again, that depends on your needs, but most of the time I don't really need it. My hands are small and I can just grip it. It comes in different colors as well. I'm a basically black and white type of person, so this is fine for me. So there you go. A good find.